Hello guys, look at this beautiful chicken marinated served with long grain rice. So let's get started to show you the recipe step by step. Okay guys, so for the ingredients they all listed down in the description box. So here we go. First we're going to start. Here we have the oven tray. So I'm gonna add some pomegranate molasses, which has made the chicken breast so delicious. And I'm gonna add also some vinegar, red vinegar, balsamic vinegar. You can add any vinegar that you want. And I'm gonna add some sunflower oil, and I'm going to add all the spices with the salt, and I'm gonna mix them. Okay, here we have some lemon slices, and I have I have some bay leaves and cloves and black pepper, and also I have some frozen coriander, and I have peppers, mixed peppers, and mushroom. Perfect. There we go. So now they're going to melt it in the oven, and later we're going to mix them, and it will be easier, so everything will melt. Now I'm gonna add the chicken breast on them. Now I'm going to mix them all together. Guys, here we go. After we mixed all the ingredients, that's so yummy. Now I'm gonna pop them in the oven on 250 Celsius, and I'm going to keep them between 20 to 30 minutes. And by that time I'm going to prepare the rice. It's long grain rice and simply and easy to be prepared, and I'll see you after this. Now after 15 minutes in the oven, I'm going to mix them and leave them 10 more minutes and check them later. See, look at the sauce that comes out of the vegetables. That looks so yummy. So I'm gonna keep them 10 more minutes and serve it with the rice. Okay guys, here we go. The chicken is ready now, and here I have the rice. It's long grain rice, so I'm gonna serve it. Okay, and I'm going to add some chicken. Some of the sauce, and you can serve it with salad or with soup, whatever you like. Okay guys, this is my dish for today, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna list for you down in the description box all the ingredients that you need, and hope you will give it a try. See you soon. Bye.